Alright, so today Jack and I are going up to a scrapyard because they have two G37s. Not sure whether or not they're coupes, but we'll find out when we get there. And if they are coupes, then I can get a whole front clip for less than 200 bucks. So, though it looks pretty decent on camera, the fenders, the hood, and the bumper are all pretty messed up between somebody closing a tool in it right here on this one, and then doing the same thing on this one. And then there's hinge damage here from, I'm guessing, the accident. So then the bumper's all messed up. It's chip paint here, and where it connects up here is all like, it's got a bunch of, what is that, silicone? So RTV. So the bumper's all messed up, and well, there's a splitter connected to the, oops. There's a splitter connected to the bumper itself instead of the crash bar, so I think that's pretty lame too. So yeah, just got to get that dealt with, and hopefully we find a new front clip today. All right, so unfortunately none of the G37s that are here are coupes, so that sucks, but it is what it is. Also, weirdly enough, not one car that I've found that has a hood latch that would be compatible with my coupe has a hood latch, which is really strange. So not really sure what's going on there. Is this the hood latch? But yeah, this car has really nice seats in it. The whole interior is mint. Kind of sucks that they took the dashboard because I would have snagged that, but the seats are in wonderful condition, so I'm gonna take these out of here and bring them home. So, all right, so we're out here. I wasn't able to get the passenger side seat out of the G35X, which sucks. And we were about to go 2 for 2 on getting defeated here because we found this this G35 here. Now let me give you some background here. This junkyard has across the board prices, so it doesn't matter if it's a F250 or a G35. A transmission is a transmission, and it's going to cost 150 bucks. So this is a 2005 G35, right? If we come up here, we peek under here, you know what we see? We see that it's a rev up, which means that somebody got a CD09 for $150 out of this thing. I'm very jealous. Now, we walked up to the car and noticed that it had rays on it. The front one was taken off, but the other 3 have a wheel key on it. So we proceeded to look all over the place and find tools that we could use to get them off. Jack had his wackus bonkus in the truck, and I found this on the ground. So let's get off the other 2. All right, so we got them all off. Got a full set of G35 rays here. That's pretty cool. Got me a center console and a G37 steering wheel. All right, so I got the seats. The connections look like they match up too in the G37, so that's really good news. So I can more than likely put those in the G37 and have all the functions work as they're supposed to. And then of course we got the rays. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. I'm really glad to have a set of those finally. I think I might just take those and run them on the drift car, because how awesome would this look if I threw some spacers on here and lowered it down and ran the rays. They're nice wheels, they've got good fitment. They're the fronts are 19 by 8 plus 30, and then the rears are 19 by 8.5 plus 33. So they've got really good offset. Kind of wish I could run them on like the 240 or the Cressida, but 19s don't like to work on those cars, so it is what it is. But hey, I'm just glad to have a set of them. So now I'm going to go over to the shop, and I'm going to start pulling apart the G35 that I'm parting out. So it's got a few things in it that I want, like a black headliner, and then I got to pull the VQ out of it. So I'll see you guys there. How long you been sitting here, Chrissy?
Probably 45 minutes.
That's a long time. Got Chrissy here. What's up, Chrissy?
What's up, dog? Is this your YouTube?
Yeah, it is.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it is. We got to figure out what's going on with Chrissy's Z today. So it's possible that it might just be spark plugs, but we're also gonna check the compression to make sure that that his engine's all good. So yeah, we're gonna tear into that, and then I'm gonna pull the VQ out of this G35 over here because somebody's gonna come by that. So we got plenty of stuff to do.
Nice.
He's got an HR in that thing. That thing rips. He beats on it.
I beat on it. Yep.
But she holds up.
For now.
Yeah, we'll see what the compression numbers say, because compression doesn't lie. So.
I'm scared now. We should vlog this deal.
All right, so Crizzy's got his new FDF arm in. Now we are replacing his spark plugs and checking the compression on this. So far we got 200 or 190, 200. So we're hoping we have that consistency all the way across the board, because Crizzy said he's a little bit down on power. My dog's running, real nice.
Way nicer.
Way nicer.
Way nicer.
We checked the compression. It was about 190 to 200 across the board, and then cylinder 5 was what, 180?
185.
185. We got it to go a little bit higher, so seems pretty healthy. I wouldn't be too worried about it, but
Not for now.
if he starts to feel any lack of power, I'm gonna guess that it would be cylinder 5 yeeting itself out the chat. So Chris is gonna go and thrash on it this weekend, and
Yes.
that'll be that.
Shout out my dog Dabitat, bro. Y'all need any work, hit him up for real. Super easy guy to work with.
Y'all know where to find me.
exhaust gaskets are blowing out, so that's why you're hearing that little bit of rasp.
Yeah.